Same problem, two solvers. On the left, classic pencil algebra. On the right, Desmos. 5 rounds, and we're timing both. By the end, you'll know exactly which questions deserve the calculator and which ones don't. Spoiler, it's not even close on most of them. Lock in round 1. Round 1. Solve x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. By hand, you'll hunt factor pairs, x plus 3, x minus 2, set each to 0, about a minute if you're sharp. In Desmos, type the equation, tap the 2 gray dots, x equals -3, x equals 2, 6 seconds. And it works even when the thing doesn't factor. Round 1, Desmos. Round 2, the system. 2x plus y equals 11, and x minus y equals 1. By hand, elimination is honestly decent here. Add the equations 3x equals 12, maybe 40 seconds. But Desmos, type both lines, tap the intersection for comma 3. 8 seconds, and 0 chance of an arithmetic slip. Close round, Desmos still takes it. Round 3, find a median of 12, 7, 15, 9, 20, 11. By hand, sort 6 numbers, find a middle pair, average them, and pray you didn't misorder anything. Call it 45 seconds. Desmos, type median, paste the list, done. 11.5 in 5 seconds. Even count list trip people up by hand. Desmos doesn't blink. Round 4, a circle in disguise. X squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 2, y minus 11 equals 0. By hand, complete the square twice. Track every sign, 2 minutes minimum. In Desmos, paste it exactly as written. The circle just appears, center -2, 1, radius 4. 10 seconds, no algebra. This round's a knockout. Final round, a table. X runs 1 to 4, y goes 6, 9, 12, 15. Predict y when x is 10. By hand, find the slope, find the intercept, build the equation, substitute. 2 minutes easy. Desmos, make a table, type y1 tilde mx1 plus b. Get y equals 3x plus 3, and read off 33. 10 seconds. Flawless victory. Final score, 5-0, and it wasn't a fair fight. But here's the real lesson. The win isn't just speed, it's the mistakes you never get to make. Every second Desmos saves is a second for the questions that actually need your brain. Practice these 5 setups this week. Subscribe for the full Desmos series and lock in.